I want to show you how you can change the sounds for any words that are already in the database. So here I have a story called Going Walking. That's the first page. I'll go to the next page.
We went walking.
That's the second page.
Brilliant. Walking. Everyone.
Now let's say I wasn't so happy about the brilliant there. It didn't sound exciting enough. I want it to be much more of an enthusiastic brilliant. How would I go about changing that sound? Well, that's what I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is click on the settings button, go to the main menu at the top, scroll down till you get to editing sounds, and if you have a look here, you'll see this button here, record a new form for an existing word. That's what I want to do. So the word will be brilliant, and then I'll hit the tick button. The current form, we can play that.
Brilliant. Okay.
And this time we're going to change it, and it's going to be more of an exclamation I want. So I'm going to hit the tick button now, and you just can record it. Brilliant. Okay.
Brilliant.
Yep, that sounds a bit more exciting. So I will just edit the sounds by moving the ends in to edit it.
Brilliant.
And then click the save button. And now we can hit the tick button and the tick button there. Now this time we need to go and edit the book in order to change the actual sound in the story. So I'm going to do that. And this is the page. If I now hit the new button, it's going to bring up brilliant, the two different sorts. Here's the exclamation that we just recorded.
Brilliant.
That's it. So that's the one I want. So hit the tick button. And now we'll finish and save our story. And
going.
I will listen to it.
Going. Walking.
And you'll be able to see the difference.
We went walking.
Here it comes.
Brilliant. Walking. Everyone.
So it's quite simple. You can go in and change the sound for any words that are already in the database.